let's work out a question coming from physics under waves. All right, so the question says start the diagram below. So we have in the y-axis we've got distance, and in the x-axis we've got time in seconds. So please start the diagram first before you even go anywhere. All right, so when we look at the diagram, we have complete a wave and a half of it. It means we have 1.5 waves here. All right, because a complete wave is this. So once you get this type of motion, this is a complete what? Wave. So this one is half, and this one here is half, which will give you 1 when you add them together. All right, are we together? It says find the period, find the frequency, and find the amplitude. So how to find the period? The period, remember, is just the time taken to make one complete oscillation. Repeat after me. The time taken to make one complete oscillation, or to make one complete cycle. And I'm just from showing that one complete cycle is this. So let's go to the diagram. This is one complete cycle up to there. So our period is 2 seconds. So our period is just 2 seconds. That's all. Let's go to B. So B says the frequency. What is frequency? Frequency is the number of complete cycles made in a second. So the number of cycles made in 1 second. All right. How many cycles have been made in 1 second? So locate where 1 second is. Then you are okay. 1 second is here. So how many cycles are these? This is just half. So that is our frequency. Without even doing calculations, all right? That's the purpose of this video. 1/2. What are the unit for frequency? Hertz. Fine. So you put capital letter H and small letter Z. Then C says the amplitude. So how do you find the amplitude? So the amplitude is the maximum displacement of the wave from the rest position. So we are talking of the distance from there to here, or the distance from there to here should be the same. That is amplitude. Also that one is amplitude. Even there it's the same. That's still amplitude. Now when you look at here, we've got 5 here, and we also have what? -5. So here's how we find it. So you go with a positive first, -0, or you can say 0 minus -5. This is how you solve for amplitudes. You can say 5 minus 0, or you can say 0 minus -5, because 0 is bigger than -5. That's why we're starting with a 0. Here 5 is bigger than 0. That's why we're starting with 5. You can see, right? The answer should be the same, by the way. Okay, so I think the only thing remaining are your calculations now. Here what you get? You get 5 meters. Or even here you still get 5 meters. Just to give you 5 meters. So we can say the amplitude of the wave is just equal to 5 meters. All right, that's all. We didn't even have to calculate anything. Just from the diagram there, they can ask you to find anything, and you should be able to get it. That's the purpose, and I hope that you've enjoyed the video. Follow me on TikTok and Facebook. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel as PVS the Tutor, and I'll be glad if you study my online classes any day. They're quite affordable and really effective. I'll see you next time.